Come on. Is this alternative burger recommended by 9 out of 10 doctors? Why won't you endorse my burger? How did you even find the time to get a PhD?
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Big Mac roll. Not to be confused with Big Mackerel, which is a large fish. I bet you'd like that recipe, wouldn't you? Belly kisses. Full disclosure, this recipe came to me in a fever dream, so I have no idea if it's going to work. We'll see. First up, we're going to start by making that special sauce.
That special sauce.
Big Mac sauce. Let's do it. Bowl. Dollop of mayo. Just make sure you don't use a Dunlop of mayo, or else your sauce might taste rubbery. Little splash of lemon juice. Let's get started in here. Bit of relish. It's kind of ironic that relish means to enjoy greatly, and I greatly don't enjoy it. And a little bit of smoked paprika. Whoops, maybe a bit too smoky.
I'm kidding, you're perfectly smoky.
Little bit of Kriegel raffle. Little pinch of salt. Now give it a good mixturing. See all those colors to come together? Look over here. Our special sauce is complete.
It's time for the toppings.
First up, we're gonna dice some onion. I bet you did not see that coming. Daddy needs a new car. We're a bit silly here. You're gonna be for later. Little dices. Now get yourself a pickle.
I'm pickle rich!
Pickle slices? You're also gonna want a few slices of American cheese. The right to bear palms. Next up, we're gonna shred some lettuce. Just make sure it's iceberg lettuce. That joke was a Titanic mistake. Near, far, wherever. Let's get beefy. Ground beef. Ground beef. With our beef, we're gonna add a pinch of salt, a little frugal doofs, a little bit of garlic powder. Woo! Just a bit of chili powder for a little kicky.
A little kicky in the pants.
And for the secret ingredient, it's love. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. I'm kidding, the secret ingredient is MSG. Now get handsy with it. All your perfect imperfections. Pita. Now carefully split your pita in half, because 2 is always better than 1. You're doing a great job with that pita, buddy. Thanks, Leo.
You're welcome.
Movie magic. 2 pitas are here. Bring your meat back. Now use your fingers to smash your meat into that pita. Get your mind out of the gutter. And now you're left with this. Time to fry it. Fry it. Jeez. Woo! Ooh, it's singing to me. Crispy it all up. That's fun. That's pretty. Let's start with some of our mac sauce. We're gonna spread it on everywhere. A little American cheese. A little bit of diced onions everywhere. A couple pickles go on. A little bit of shredded lettuce. Well, that didn't work. It'll still be good though. Note to self, don't try your fever dream recipes. Come on, it's super good. Just eat it like a taco. Little bit of hot sauce. Well, bye friends. Dreams are crazy.